Zydus Cadila on Thursday announced that the company has applied for emergency use authorization to the Office of Drug Controller General of India for Zycov-D, its plasmid DNA vaccine against COVID-19. The company conducted the largest clinical trial for its COVID-19 vaccine in India so far in over 50 centers. This was also the first time that any COVID-19 vaccine has been tested in adolescent population in the 12 to 18 years of age group in India. Around 1,000 subjects were enrolled in this age group, and the vaccine was found to be safe and very well tolerated. The tolerability profile was similar to that seen in the adult population. Primary efficacy of 66.6% has been attained for symptomatic RT-PCR positive cases in the interim analysis. Several users reported issues with accessing the Twitter website on Thursday morning. While the app worked just fine, users faced issues while accessing the website. Twitter has acknowledged the issue and is currently fixing it. The users reported that every time when they tried to access the Twitter website, they were greeted with "something went wrong" message on the screen. Twitter posted from its official account that profile's tweet may not be loading for some of you on the website, and we are currently working on a fix. Thanks for sticking with us. The Down Detector report shows that 80% users reported issues with the website, especially during 8 am, while 16% Android app users could not load the app and 8% iOS users reported the issues with the app. An expert panel on Wednesday recommended against granting permission to Pune Serum Institute of India for conducting the Phase 2 and Phase 3 trial of COVID-19 vaccine Covovax on children aged between 2 to 17 years, sources said. The Serum Institute of India had on Monday applied to the Drugs Controller General of India seeking permission to conduct a trial of Covovax on 920 children, 460 each in 12 to 17 and 2 to 11 age group at 10 sites. The Subject Expert Committee on COVID-19 of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, which deliberated on the application, noted that the vaccine has not been approved in any country. Amid the ongoing controversy over European Union's move to not include Covishield and Covaxin for its digital COVID certificate or Green Pass, India on Wednesday told EU member states that it would exempt their vaccinated people from mandatory quarantine if they recognize Indian vaccines and vaccination certificates. At present, people travelling to India from abroad have to mandatorily quarantine themselves. The EU's digital COVID certificate, which has been created to facilitate free movement of vaccinated people during the pandemic, will come into effect from Thursday. Sources said in its communication to the EU member states, India has said that it will institute a reciprocal policy for recognition of the EU digital COVID certificate. Once Covaxin and Covishield are notified to be included for the digital COVID certificate and Indian COVID vaccination certificates are recognized, Indian health authorities would reciprocally exempt people from the EU member states concerned from mandatory quarantine while travelling to India. After a clash between BJP workers and protesting farmers at the Ghazipur border in Ghaziabad, the police have registered an FIR against 200 unidentified Bharatiya Kisan Union workers. The FIR was registered under sections 147, 148, 223, 352, 427 and 506 of the Indian Penal Code on the complaint of newly appointed BJP General Secretary Amit Valmiki. He registered this police complaint at Kaushambi police station. While Valmiki alleged in his complaint that BKU workers vandalized vehicles and hurled casteist slurs during a welcome procession for him, the farmer said his episode was a conspiracy by the ruling BJP and the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh to quell their 7-month-old protest against the centre's controversial farm laws.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.